All right, so once you are actually done with the lesson and you've gone ahead and you've run it and you verified that that matches that, then what you can do is you go back to your eCampus. You'll click on where it says Distance Learning Module here. From the letter here, you'll click the link where it says go to the code.org assignment pages. You'll click the lesson that it is that you were working on. For my example, I used lesson 3. This will bring up the code.org lesson 3 instructions, as well as all the activities that you have to submit it. Down here is the PowerPoint, down here is the video, which I'm creating right now. But nonetheless, you can go ahead and click on the assignment that it is that you're looking to submit. You'll notice in here, you'll see all the directions for each individual assignment. Ignore this over here. I had to submit an assignment for the PowerPoint, so it'll say that it's submitted. Also, don't worry about the late. It's, as we talked about in class, that's just your sort of position where you should be at when these are due. But as soon as you are ready to submit, this button up here will say Submit Assignment. You'll click that. What you'll do when you get to this page is you're going to go back to your code.org. Up in the top left corner, you're going to click this button that says Share. From here, you're going to go ahead and you're going to click the URL. You can either use Control and the letter C, or you can right-click Copy. Once you do that, you'll go back to Lesson 3. For me, it's Lesson 3, Activity 6. You'll paste the URL here. You'll go ahead and you'll click Submit Assignment. Over here, it will confirm that you have submitted the assignment. It'll give you the details. You can also view the original page. Once you've gone ahead and you've submitted the assignment, you can click back on the link, which will take you back to the original lesson so that you can go ahead and submit the next assignment.